Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload contacts to Google Drive. So guys, at first go to your contacts and then tap on the two dots icon. Tap on setting. Now tap on import or export contacts. Tap on share contacts. Now select your drive. Now select your drive location here, and after selecting your drive location, tap on select and then tap on save. Now go back and go to your Google Drive. So guys, as you can see, the contacts has been uploaded, and that's it. That's how you can upload your contacts to Google Drive very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.